Welcome to today's instructional video on how to reduce rational expressions to lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on the expression x squared plus 2x minus 8 divided by x minus 2. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify this expression and reduce it to its lowest terms. So let's get started. Step 1. To begin solving the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x minus 2 to its lowest terms, we first need to factorize the numerator, which is the expression above the division line. The numerator is x squared plus 2x minus 8. When factorizing, we aim to write the quadratic expression as a product of two binomials. A binomial is a two-term expression. We look for two numbers that multiply to give the constant term, which is minus 8, and add to give the coefficient of the linear term, which is 2. The standard form of a quadratic expression is x squared plus bx plus c. Here, a is 1, b is 2, and c is minus 8. We need to find two numbers that multiply to minus 8 and add up to positive 2. These two numbers are 4 and minus 2. This is because 4 times minus 2 equals minus 8, and 4 plus minus 2 equals 2. So we can rewrite x squared plus 2x minus 8 as the product of x plus 4 and x minus 2. Therefore, the numerator x squared plus 2x minus 8 can be written as x plus 4 times x minus 2. Step 2. Now that we have factorized the numerator x squared plus 2x minus 8 into x plus 4 times x minus 2, we can rewrite the original rational expression accordingly. The rational expression was x squared plus 2x minus 8 over x minus 2. Replacing the numerator with its factored form, we get x plus 4 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. At this point, we need to simplify the rational expression by canceling common factors present in both the numerator and the denominator. The common factor here is x minus 2, which appears in both the numerator and the denominator. When we cancel out the x minus 2 term from both the numerator and the denominator, we are left with x plus 4. This is because any expression divided by itself equals 1, and multiplying by 1 does not change the value of the other factor. Therefore, after canceling the common factor, the simplified form of the rational expression is x plus 4. This is the final and simplest form of the given rational expression. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.